POCO M7 4G has recently made its debut, featuring an impressive 7,000 mAh battery along with a 144Hz display. POCO has quietly launched this new device into the market, and I believe its specifications could potentially be quite competitive within its range. Now, let's begin by discussing the design a bit. It boasts a back with 4 distinct curves which enhances grip and provides greater comfort. The screen measures 6.9 inches, offering full HD resolution, and an update rate that can reach up to 144 Hz, but it seems it won't be an AMOLED screen. In cameras, it has a 50 megapixel rear dual system with artificial intelligence, but I think it was already very clear what is the main attraction of this device, and we are talking about the battery that comes. With a capacity of 7,000 mAh, also supports 33 watts charge and reverse charge of 18 watts. For performance, we are going to find the 685 6nm Snapdragon 685 processor with options of 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. It also features NFC and IP64 resistance. It's splash-proof and dust-resistant. The price of this POCO M7 4G announced for the United Arab Emirates, which is where it was presented, is 449 dirhams, which at today, exchange rate would be about $122. Although remember that prices here are not the same as over there. But let me know in the comments what you think of the fact that brands are still releasing some 4G models in exchange for giving you maybe some superior little details, as in this case the mega battery and the 144Hz display at an adjusted price.